Are you looking for a tablet for business professionals? In this video, I will show you the 5 best tablets for business professionals based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Microsoft Surface Go 2. Unwind in a bigger way with Surface Go 2, now featuring a new 10.5 pixel Sense display with touchscreen that's perfect for ebooks, web browsing, and streaming your favorite shows. Surface Go 2 can handle every to-do item throughout your day. Jot down ideas, help out with homework, create and practice presentations, and manage your email. Connect and keep up the way you want to with the 10.5 Surface Go 2. Starting at just 1.2 pounds. Sharing Surface Go 2 with your family is seamless and secure, with parent-managed screen time limits, spending control, and content filtering, plus plenty of space for photos, videos, and music. The 4th product on the list is the new iPad Air 2020. iPad Air does more than a computer in simpler, more magical ways. And now with more features and capabilities, it's more versatile than ever. With A14 Bionic, you have the power to bring your ideas to life. Shoot a 4K video, then edit it right on iPad Air. Use the 2nd generation Apple Pencil to paint and illustrate with dynamic brushes and subtle shading. And with the enhanced graphics and machine learning performance of A14 Bionic, you can unlock new creative possibilities with photo editing, music creation, and more. With Apple Pencil, you can easily take notes, organize your thoughts, and mark up screenshots, email, and more. The 3rd product on the list is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. With the power of a PC and the mobility of a tablet, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus is your secret weapon for getting more done wherever you are. Enjoy the advantages of a true 2-in-1 device, where an expanded keyboard and built-in memory up to 512 GB are backed by a battery that lasts the entire workday for ultimate portability. With a redesigned, minimal-lag S Pen that lets you control a presentation with the tap of a finger, and an expanded edge-to-edge screen for better streaming, gaming and video chatting, the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus simplifies life, work and play. The 2nd product on the list is the Apple iPad Pro. The ultimate iPad experience. Now with breakthrough M1 performance, a breathtaking XDR display, and blazing fast 5G wireless. With M1, iPad Pro is the fastest device of its kind. It's designed to take full advantage of next-level performance and custom technologies like the advanced image signal processor and unified memory architecture of M1. And with the incredible power efficiency of M1, iPad Pro is still thin and light with all-day battery life, making it as portable as it is powerful. The 8-core CPU of M1 delivers up to 50% faster performance. The Liquid Retina display on the 1.1-inch iPad Pro is not only gorgeous and portable, it also features incredibly advanced technologies. The 1st product on the list is the Microsoft Surface Pro 7. At the office, at home, or en route, new Surface Pro 7 adapts to the way you work with laptop-to-tablet versatility. And now, it delivers more power than ever with a laptop-class Intel Core processor, all-day battery, instant on, improved graphics, and standby time, plus more multitasking connections, including both USB-C and USB-A ports. Wherever you go and whatever you do, next-generation Surface Pro 7 stands ready. With its laptop-class Intel Core processor, all-day battery, and instant on, you can get back to work whenever inspiration strikes. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.